Racing's more than a business, it's my life. I really love building hot rods, especially the first time when the people walk in and I see the reaction on their face. In Las Vegas, we unveiled Chezoom. The reaction was just stunning. The only thing better than building these cars is taking them out and driving them. And thanks to my friend Joe Rudka, we got to build Chezoom. At Hot Rods by Boyd, we created a lot of unique cars. That's when I decided we needed a special wheel. That's when I started Boyd's Wheels. We created Boyd Wheels on quality and craftsmanship. At Boyd's Wheels, we have over 50 designs to choose from. When you bought a wheel with my name on it, you've bought the original billet wheel.
There's a guy, I saw this, there's a hot rodder, Boyd Coddington.
Oh, I know Boyd.
Oh, of course. Yeah. Boyd Coddington made a guitar.
He's making guitars now, out of aluminum. I am in top of every fact. I know everything.
Well, I thought it was interesting. I came out with a little bit of tidbit.
Oh, he's making guitars out of aluminum.
Out of aluminum. Remember, in every car, there's a hot rod. Boyd's can bring that out.